work in the kitchens department over at IKEA Canada. I worked as a commercial photographer in fashion and beauty for over 10 years. Throughout that time though, I felt like my values were also changing over time. People and planet, became forefront in my mind. So if I was going to come back into working, for an employer, again, I really wanted to find a company that was in line with my value set. And so I discovered the whole sustainability efforts and strategies that IKEA is doing. Their mandate to become people and planet positive by 2030, that was so much in line with what I wanted to do. I made it a point to work for this company. One of the big highlights of the interview was the interviewer, Amanda. I asked her, is there a lot of movement from within? She said, absolutely, there's room for you, to move up. So I wanted to take advantage of that. I was happy to find out that I got hired. I worked in the returns department for about a few months, but with the intention of going to a sales position. Being in this role, I'm contributing to this vision statement to create a better everyday life for the many people by offering a wide range of well-designed functional home furnishings at prices so low that as many people as possible is able to afford it. And this is why I like coming to work every day. Working in sales, especially in the kitchens department, was a direct contribution to that vision. Also doing it by providing solutions to the heart of their home, the kitchen. When I did my research, I became excited. One thing that I really loved watching was the documentary called Inside IKEA that showed all of the different insights, like the IKEA ambassador's trip, as well as how the catalog was made, and also how a sofa was designed. And it made me learn about the values in a big way. People and planet was the one that resonated with me the most. Do your research on the company, because it will really help you and get you excited about coming to work.